In this video you will learn how to record high-quality audio using AirPods when shooting video on your smartphone. I'm also filming this video on my iPhone 13 Pro, and the sound you are hearing is recorded directly through the AirPods. In this video I'll show you how to connect them, how to use them when shooting with the built-in iOS camera app as well as the Blackmagic Camera app. All iPhone owners can finally celebrate. In iOS 26, Apple has added the ability to use AirPods as a microphone when recording video. To enable this feature, open the Camera app, swipe down from the top, and go to Camera Controls. Here you can select your connected AirPods. You can also choose different noise control modes, for example automatic, standard, and voice isolation, which enables noise separation. By the way, this also works when you are screen recording on your iPhone or iPad, as you can see now. You can also confirm that the AirPods are working and recording audio by looking at the small dots. If they are moving, the microphone is active. There are also a useful feature that lets you start and stop recording by pressing the button on your AirPods. This is super convenient if you are far from your phone or shooting with the main camera facing away from you, when you can see where the record button is on the screen. In such cases you might also need a small external monitor for shooting control. With it you can see everything happening on your phone screen and record yourself in maximum quality using the main camera. That's exactly what I use for all my iPhone videos. Check out the detailed review of this monitor using the link on the screen. Now let's get back to the shooting control feature via AirPods. It's located in the AirPods settings, where you can choose different options for activating it. Next, let's see how to connect your AirPods in the Blackmagic Camera app. Go to the app's settings, open the audio section, and under audio source select your AirPods. The convenient thing is that when you record video with your AirPods, you can immediately listen to the playback through the same headphones and evaluate the sound quality. Unlike an external microphone, which you would have to disconnect before plugging in your headphones to review the recorded video. By the way, you can take the AirPods out of your ears and simply hold them in your hands, like I'm doing right now, and in some cases the sound might even be better this way, since you are speaking directly into the microphone. Your voice will sound slightly deeper and softer. Now I've put the AirPods back in my ears. Let me know in the comments if you hear any difference between these two options. If you want to hold the AirPods in your hands while shooting, you will need to disable the setting that disconnects them when you take them out of your ears. Of course, AirPods aren't full replacement for a professional wireless lavalier microphone, but if you already own them and occasionally shoot videos, why not improve your sound quality with their help? It will be much better than recording audio through your smartphone's built-in microphone. However, if you want to create more professional content, maybe start a YouTube channel or make high-quality videos for social media, then you'll definitely need a dedicated microphone. Watch this video where I talk about different types of microphones, which ones are not worth buying, which one will suit you best, and how use it properly. Keep creating, see you soon.